Do you know that you can still buy Spirit Airlines stock, even though the company is in bankruptcy? When a company like Spirit enters Chapter 11 bankruptcy, you can picture the bankruptcy court as a line monitor. Their job is to sort out who Spirit owes money to. At the very front are employees and customers who are owed flights. In the middle are the big creditors. Think aircraft lessors, big banks, and bondholders. And at the very back of the line, the shareholders. And unfortunately, in this case, there is simply no money left for them. Even if Spirit Airlines recovers and becomes profitable again someday, these current shareholders are wiped out. That's why on September 2nd, the New York Stock Exchange delisted Spirit stock. But it didn't just disappear. It now trades over the counter under a new ticker symbol, FLYYQ. That Q at the end is a sign that Spirit Airlines is in bankruptcy. It's buyer beware that the stock is almost certainly worthless. So, keeping in mind that none of this is financial advice, who's buying the stock? It really comes down to two main groups. First, there are people who unfortunately don't fully understand how bankruptcy works. They see a stock that's fallen dramatically in value and think it must be a bargain. Unfortunately for them, even if Spirit Airlines survives, that stock is still heading to zero. Second are speculators who are purchasing essentially a lottery ticket. They're hoping for a 1 in a million miracle that Spirit Airlines becomes so profitable so quickly that it can pay off all its creditors and still have money left for today's shareholders. Or, more cynically, they don't believe in this miracle, but they're counting on somebody who does to purchase the shares from them later at a higher price. A perfect example of the greater fool theory in investing. But Spirit Airlines itself already officially announced in a press release that the shares are going to be canceled and are anticipated to become worthless. For that lottery ticket to pay off, you'd need a white knight buyer. But the US government already blocked the JetBlue merger, so another airline isn't likely. And a private equity firm isn't going to overpay for a failing airline. They'd be much more likely to wait until after bankruptcy and purchase the now debt-free Spirit Airlines from its creditors. So while Spirit Airlines itself isn't a zombie, after all, it could survive and become profitable after Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Its stock might as well be guest starring on The Walking Dead. It's not officially dead and buried, but to investors, it might as well be. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more of our content around the business of travel.